So I know we've all been in quarantine and going a little crazy, but I thought that maybe it is time, yes, to do a makeup tutorial that you've all been waiting for. So we will start with the foundation. So let me just get it. Here we go. I love this foundation. It is amazing. So yes, matches my skin complexion. I love it. Baby, open it. I mean, I'm going to open it and show it to you guys. So make sure not to drop anything. And I'm going to open and flip this little black thing here. You need to flip it open. Yes, look at this beautiful color. This suits my complexion. It's amazing. So I'm just going to dab this little black thing on it. Just a little, not too much. And dab it all over my face to kind of cover my freckles. So I'm gonna cover it evenly and make sure I get my eye bags. Just dab it. I'm sorry, I've had a really rough day. Make sure I get the forehead as well. There, you want to rub it right into your hairline, like just a little, not too much. Too much is not nice. Anyways, come on, please be serious. Guys, we have to be serious. Dab it more. No more foundation. Nico. No more. Okay, now we're done. We're going to put this aside. Boom. Put it aside. And then just kind of even it out. We're going to even it out on the skin. Make sure it's beautiful there. It kind of mixes with my complexion. And then now we are going to contour because obviously, yeah, baby, let's contour. I love this BLK. This BLK contour is amazing. Like, it works miracles, especially since I just gave birth. Like, my face is not the thinnest. It's a bit, yeah, birth. That's what happens during birth. So we are going to open our stick. Okay, slowly, we don't want to break it. We don't want to break it. We're gonna kind of first contour the face, like draw a line there, and then on the other side, the same thing. We're gonna draw that line. We're gonna outline the jawline. Boom. And same thing to the other side. Outline this jawline. There we go. And then we're going to close it to make sure we don't dry our products. We're gonna close it. Yes. We love this product. Now, what we're going to do is blend it with our fingers. So we can put, yeah, let's just blend it so that nice and even. No, just, there we go. Like, show that you can work it to the camera. Now we're going to even out the jawline area as well. Make sure you've got every last bit of it. Check your teeth, make sure everything's nice. See, it spread amazingly. Now we're just gonna spread this last little piece that's by the chin area. We don't want to miss anything. There we go. Look at this perfect complexion. Now we are gonna use some blush. Sorry, I got bitten a while ago. We need our blush. So I love this product as well. We're just gonna dab it on the cheeks while I smile. You can look at it closely, show it. We like to do it like the vloggers do it. I like how to do it like the vloggers do it. Yes, showing the product with the background of the hand just to make sure it's clear. There, this is the color we like. Okay, so now we're gonna just dab a little bit of blush on our fingers. On our fingers, the blush, because the mirror does not do much. I feel like I have a weight on my back. Okay, just dab it a little, and then on the cheekbones. On the cheekbones. Okay, just enough on the cheekbones. That's all, guys. Now dab it properly. Nico, do it properly. There, and now you look fresh and cheeky. Now we are going to move on. Yes, when that is ready, guys. Woo! Let's move on to that feeling yourself is feeling good during this quarantine season. So we're gonna have our eyeshadow. We need some eyeshadow. Next one. No, there. Eyeshadow. I also love this product. I especially love all the colors here. All the colors are so beautiful. Yes, you guys see that. I love the middle part. And so I'm going to use this color first on my eyelid. Make sure it shines well. Do the same exact thing with the same color on the other side. Yes, spread it. This is like a way of doing natural, how do you call it? They taught it to me before. Well, yeah, sometimes it's nice to have it a little bit all over your face. But let's focus on the eyes. So we're gonna dab more on the eyelid. There we go. Make sure you're looking beautiful on the eyelid. And we're gonna spread it outwards.
You can see.
Woo. Yes, that is one type of beautiful. Okay, now that we're done with this, we are going to go to our eyebrows. I love these two products, but obviously we are going to choose just one. So I think my choice today. Don't pull me down. Go there. You need to hide more. There, stand up.
No, but I wish you take my side.
Oh yeah, try taking my side. We're gonna do one after with me in your back. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, there. I'm gonna cut it.
There is okay.
Okay. So sorry guys for the interruption. Now we are going to do our eyebrows. This is very important because this is very symmetric. Yes, like they teach us in class. So we're gonna open the right side. I mean, you can use this to just comb your eyebrows a little bit if you want to comb them. And on the other side, we comb them too. Okay, we got that settled. Now we are going to add some color to the eyebrow because obviously we want those beautiful babies out and about. So now let's start drawing our eyebrows. Yes. So we start drawing it, filling in the eyebrows. Boom. I like to do it this way. It's very authentic. Like people usually use all these arch things. This is like the perfect way of making full eyebrows. Now I'm happy with this side. Let's do the other side. I use both hands. Like I'm a genius like that. So I can use my right hand or my left hand. There. Now that we're happy with the outcome, we can finish this little beautiful makeup with. Ooh, I'm having a hard time closing this. I feel a little hot today. With some beautiful lipstick. Yes, my lips are nice and luscious. So. This is a very nice color. It's like a raspberry. As you can see, this is like the perfect size for your bag. So we are going to twist it open and look at this beautiful color. I want everyone to see how beautiful this is. Yes, I'm going to swatch it on my hand so that everyone can see. We'll swatch it on the hand, put some color. Beautiful. So now we're going to gently apply this on our lips. Ooh. Stick and spoon on the lips. Yeah. This is just a way to make it a little bit more voluptuous. Now the upper part of the lips, we're going to dab it back in. Make sure you get it everywhere. It also tastes like raspberry. It's amazing. Let's put the top lip. Okay. There you go, guys. This is exactly how they do it on Vogue magazine. I think I did a perfect job. I think you guys are going to learn a lot from me. Yes, because I am Solènn and I'm the queen of makeup. And I think, yeah, you guys would love this. Yes, just like I love it. So again, during this quarantine season, just make sure to stay at home. Make sure not to go too crazy, and check out my other videos for all my other amazing looks. just down here, you can just swipe up. And you'll have all my other looks there. We have Halloween looks. We have basically a lot of other looks. So guys, I'm going to say ciao ciao, auf Wiedersehen, goodbye, and sayonara. I am out. Peace out, y'all.